Hello, welcome back for another quick tip here. We're going to solve the problem of your character dying if they go too far down on the Z, as well as creating a quick kill volume, not using the KillZ. We could always use the KillZ volume. So one thing that happens is if you have your level, your character going down, 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 and then suddenly they die and the level resets, you're like, what the heck's going on? Common problem. So what's happening there is in your world settings right here, and if you don't see the tab over here, you can always go to settings, world settings. In this tab, you're going to see world. Make sure it's open, unrolled, whatever they call it. And make sure the KillZ is lower. Right now, if we go down -1,000 on the Z, you're going to die and reset the level. So you can set that to whatever you want it to be, -10,000. So by default, there's a KillZ. If you want to make your own custom death plane, one thing you can do is go and just use a KillZ volume and put it in the level. And it'll do exactly what that setting in world settings did, but it'll be contained in a volume. So you can place this, as I'm doing in my slime level, you can place it in the slime, and when your character runs through it, they will die and reset the level. So that's a simple way to do it. Or if you want to get more creative and you would like to have audio play first, and then maybe some text, and maybe a camera, or whatever you want to do before you die, you're going to have to set up a trigger to do that. So let's just delete my KillZ. And what I did here, I see my trigger. Let's run through it.
You lose.
So we get a little you lose, and then I disappear, and I'm dead. And I have to reset it myself. So there's a couple ways you can do it. Right now, this is just a trigger volume. So if I grab any old trigger volume, place it here. Let's put it in between these two railings. Actually, let's put it in between these two to make sure we're hitting the right one. It's up where I can run into it. Again, make sure you can run into it and you remember where it is. Let's open up our level blueprint. And what we want to do is create an event where we touch the trigger. So context sensitive is checked. Collision on actor begin overlap. So when I touch it, I want it to, I can do one thing. I can have it reset my level, which should find it. Of course, context sensitive doesn't find it. So here's reset level, and it's going to need a game mode. Target is game mode. So all we need to do is type in game mode, get game mode. There we go, or reset the game mode. So that's a super simple way to do it. And just to make sure we're running into it, which is always a good habit to get into, put in your print string, reset level. Go over here, hit play, and what's between this one? Nope, it's this one. Ta-da! Very simple. So one problem you're going to have is any actor that touches this right now is going to reset it. So what you want to do if you have characters running around is you probably want to restrict it to just be the main player character. So one way we can do that is have it, oops, we'll do it from here. We want to cast to character class. Cast a character class. So now when I set a class here, it will only go through this node and then obviously to the print string and the reset level if it's the class. So what we want to select is our third person character. So you see it right here, third person character. And if you want to do a cast failed, you could have a print string here in case one of your AI runs through it or some animated object that's an actor that's its own class. And then it'll print the string, you know, enemy running through, but it won't go over here and reset the level. So let's do that. And now let's, how about we have a play sound at location. And what did I cast that to? Might get my actor location. So I play a sound and the location I want to get is get an actor location, which is going to be myself. Get actor location so we can hear the sound. We don't want to play it 0, 0, 0. Let's move this get game mode out of the way. So very simple. Touch trigger. If it's a third person character, go through, reset level, print the string, play the sound at my location so I can hear it, reset the level. And the sound we want to hear is You Lose. There we go. Hit play. You lose. So I disappear immediately. What would be nice is maybe having a delay there. Add a little bit of polish here. So I don't need the print string right now. Let's have the audio play right away. And then before the level resets, let's do a delay of, what, 2 seconds? 2 seconds. Hit play. You lose. You lose. Oh, we can run through it twice. Nice clean way to reset your kill off your thing. The other thing you can do, or have a kill plane in here, kill volume. The other thing we can do, instead of reset level, we can do a load level. Is level loaded? Load stream level? No, we just want load level. Where is it? Let's see. Level. Open level. It's not load level, it's open level. So let's connect this one instead. Move this one out of the way. What's the name of our level? Oh, it's a long one. Let's be smart about this. Let's go to our maps. And, whoa, what happened to, oh, they got moved all over the place. How strange. Why is there a map down here? Copy, paste, and play. You lose. Reset. Ta-da! So that's it. You can open a level, reset the level, and putting a delay is a nice polish, a sound is a nice polish. And if you want a HUD, you can mess with a widget HUD, have it bring up some text every time this happens. Super simple stuff. Alright, that's it for now. Bye-bye.